I am Heather Curtis-Rich. I am 20 years old. I previously attended Bishop Llandaff High School and now I do BSc at Cybersecurity at Cardiff and Vale College. I found out about the course when I was doing level 3 year 2 and I wanted to explore the different degrees I could take and I wanted to do cybersecurity at the college and I talked to one of the tutors about it. On my course I enjoyed all the different types of units that I had to do and I enjoyed all the assignments that required all the research for it. My highlight of the course was competing in World Skills with my tutor Peter Franklin because of how competitive it was. My favourite thing about this course is the facilities we can use because they are available 24/7 and I like all the support we get. After finishing my level 3, I'm now on the Cybersecurity Uni degree at Cardiff and Vale College and I would like to do a Masters in Digital Forensics which focuses on the crime aspects of cybersecurity and I would like to help the police department with catching cyber criminals. If I was to speak to someone from Bishop Llandaff High School now and they'd ask for advice about if they want to go to college, I say do what you want to do and not what others want you to do and make sure it's something you can see your career in.